I point it towards you guys and one of you guys is like, hey, what's that doing? You'll have a little red blob coming out of your mouth. And if someone was saying, whoa, 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 and one person was whistling over here, I could say, I only want to look at the people who are whistling in this frequencies. That person won't even show up, and the person who's whistling will have a little cloud over their mouth. So it's really, really versatile in that kind of way. So right now we're just going to point it towards this traffic right here, and then you guys can come check it out on the laptop, and you'll be able to see the little blobs that are following the cars.
Now this might be a little tougher here because Chris is saying that I've noticed why it's gotten quiet. You can see that the northbound lanes here, I mean, excuse me, the eastbound lanes. Oh, you just
saw your video online.
Oh, did you? Okay, yeah.
Kind of looked like it was a wheel complex, so it could kind of.
Yep. Yeah. It was
Snap your fingers.
Your aura. Your aura.
And snap your fingers on the sides too.
Good show.
Low frequencies, because those are a lot bigger, a lot more prevalent. Go to the higher frequencies, this will be mostly just tire noise. Exactly.
But as he changes this scale, like the red corresponds to like, we pick something here, you know, something over a certain decibel level. And you can also place the cursor on a particular spot and it'll tell you the acoustic energy.